Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the electrifying world of Mortske repair, hosted by none other than the maestro of automotive wizardry himself, Thomas Mortske. Picture this, a man with a Midas touch, transforming decrepit heaps of metal into gleaming beauties fit for the cover of a car magazine. Today, dear viewers, we embark on a journey through the riveting tale of Mortske Repair's rise to fame in the wild and wonderful realm of automotive restoration. So buckle up and hold on tight as we delve into the heart-pounding saga of Mortske love affair with all things vehicular. Our tale begins with a legend, the progenitor of Mortske's passion for tinkering beneath the hood, Grandpa Mags, a grease-stained sage of mechanical mastery. Grandpa Mags danced with devilish intricacies of engines, weaving his magic since the dawn of time, or at least since 1946. With his trusty wrench in hand, he breathed life into broken down jalopies, leaving a trail of awe in his wake. Though he departed for the great garage in the sky in 2006, his legacy burned brighter than 1,000 suns. Enter our hero, young Mortske, wide-eyed and eager to inherit the mantle of automotive excellence. Inspired by his grandfather's feats of daring do, he took up the wrench and set forth on his own epic journey. Thus, in the mystical year of 2012, the Mortske Repair YouTube channel was born. With each twist of a bolt and turn of a screw, Mortske captured the hearts of car enthusiasts far and wide, amassing a legion of over 170,000 loyal subscribers and a staggering 58 million views. But wait, there's more. Alongside our intrepid host strides his faithful companion, Duffy, the wonderful dog, whose antics add an extra dash of flair to Mortske's automotive escapades. But lo and behold, Mortske is not merely a digital demigod of car repair. He's also the proud proprietor of Mortske Repair LLC, a bastion of mechanical marvels nestled in the heart of North Dakota, USA. Here, Mortske and his band of merry mechanics work tirelessly to resurrect rusty relics from the brink of oblivion, much to the delight of petrol heads near and far. From pint-sized compacts to hulking behemoths of the road, no challenge is too daunting for Mortske and his trusty crew. Yet, amidst the clangor of wrenches and the roar of engines, Mortske guards his personal life with the ferocity of a dragon hoarding gold. Rumors soar like tire smoke in a drag race, but the enigmatic mechanic remains tight-lipped about matters of the heart. Instead, he channels his boundless passion into supporting his beloved Philadelphia Eagles football team, cheering them on with the fervor of 1,000 fanatics. And would you believe it, his cousin just happens to be none other than Dallas Gord star player extraordinaire. As the sun sets on our epic odyssey, we turn our gaze to the treasure trove of Mortske net worth, a dazzling sum rumored to rival the riches of Croesus himself. With a hefty haul amassed from his YouTube empire and the bustling business of Mortske Repair, our hero stands tall atop a mountain of success, his pockets jingling with the sweet sound of victory. And so, dear viewers, we bid adieu to this whirlwind tour of Mortske Repair, where dreams are forged from steel and horsepower reigns supreme. If you've enjoyed this wild ride, don't forget to smash that like button, share with your fellow gearheads, and hit subscribe faster than a drag racer off of the line. Until next time, keep those engines revving, and may your road ahead be paved with adventure.